All right, so I've got this whole section here for this fall lawn care project I've been working on. I have a whole bunch of areas in the backyard here that I just haven't really gotten to. So I started probably about 3-4 weeks ago killing some areas with glyphosate, specifically focusing on the ground cover weeds. You know, you got your ivy, and then you got your, creeping Charlie, all kinds of violet, all kinds of crap. So I took my weed puller tool and I got individual, I pulled up some crabgrass, some dandelion, in this section here. This is where I reseeded 2 years ago, about 800 square feet. So a lot of bare spots. I know it needed some extra attention. And this is basically the first thing you see when you walk off the deck. So I want to show you the process that I'm working on with these spots here. I put some seed down there, but I'm going to go over that in just a second. So here we are. This is a bare spot. This was killed with glyphosate. And you can see as it's all brown and dead. So I'm using my defashing rake that I actually made a video on last year I made a video on this. So check that out. It's been working really well. First, I like to dig up all this, because my goal here is to make this completely bare, just all soil right here. Go a couple different directions. After I do that, next step is going to impress you guys. I take my drill with a 3/4 inch spade bit, and I don't have an aerator machine or anything like that. So if you have small sections, this is perfect just to loosen up the soil and get it prepped to the max right before you put some seed down. So I just take it, or if you don't have a spade bit, you can just use a regular bit. Just drill down a couple inches. I mean, look, that's ultimate soil prep, right? Look at that. So I'm gonna go this whole section, finish that up. Then when that's done, I'm gonna take my little handy gardening rake here. I know it's a lot, but if you're dedicated and you're committed, you're gonna loosen this all up. What I wanna do is pull up all this crap, right? So when that soil or when that grass dies off, it's still stuck in here, all the roots, it's taking up space. So you really wanna free up this area as much as possible. So I just pull it all up. Plus, you really wanna rough up the soil, get it nice and loosened. Pull up all this dead debris, just so that your new seed has, space to expand, so that the air and water can get in there and the nutrients. So I'm gonna go over this. You get the idea. And then also, now as far as soil, you don't have to put topsoil down on here. You can if you want to. I choose to do so because when you're pulling up all this crap, it actually will leave us like a divot. So when you're cutting the grass, it's gonna be a little bit lower. So that's why I put topsoil down. So if you come over here and take a look, right here, I already put some seed down, and I put about, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of topsoil down, then I put some seed down. So I'll show you that in a second. As far as topsoil, now I got this stuff last year. I've had this stuff for, a year or so. This is cheap from Home Depot. It's like $3 a bag. Now, I actually just read something, if you get it from Ace brand topsoil, I think it's like $1 more expensive, but this stuff is kind of crap. If you get a look at this, I mean, you can see there's a whole bunch of like mulch and, debris and crap in there. And then I pull up some of this. These are just like rubber, like what is this? This is like rubber, just to get rid of that. You don't need that. So what I'll do is I'll put about 1/2 inch of topsoil down here just to make it, rise it up a little bit, or raise it up, I should say. So, and as far as the seeding process, check this out. Right here I got some Jonathan Green Ultra Black Beauty. Now, this stuff here, got this from Amazon, $43. 7-pound bag, it's high quality seed. Now you can get this from a local feed store for probably about, I think I actually looked at Family Farm and Home, and I think it was $40. So $3 to $4 more expensive for Amazon Prime next day. Seems worth it to me. Check out the ingredients here. You're gonna get 3 different types of fescues. Okay, perennial rye, Kentucky bluegrass. Look at that, 0.0 weed seed. Very little crop seed, your germination rates, which you're gonna look at. And you got your test date here, February of 24, the germination rates, and then the origin. So this stuff is supposed to be a high quality seed, and that's what I really want. I don't like a seed with a bunch of fillers in it, so, but that's pretty much it. That's my project, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.